Today, we're diving into the incredible world of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile household staple with a wide range of uses beyond baking. This white crystalline powder can be found in most kitchens and is a go-to remedy for various health and wellness purposes. While it's important to use baking soda responsibly and consult with a healthcare professional for specific medical concerns. In this video, we're unveiling the remarkable health benefits of baking soda that you probably didn't know about. 1. Kidney health. Recent scientific studies have shed light on the potential of baking soda in managing chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease often leads to an imbalance of acids in the body, putting immense strain on the kidneys. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural buffer, helping to neutralize excess acids. By doing so, it might alleviate the stress on the kidneys and slow down the progression of the disease. This promising avenue of research suggests that baking soda could be a cost-effective and relatively safe intervention for individuals dealing with chronic kidney disease. However, it cannot be emphasized enough that any usage of baking soda in managing kidney conditions should be approached cautiously and under the strict supervision of healthcare professionals. 2. Oral care. Baking soda stands as a stalwart ally in the realm of oral care, its effectiveness rooted in its remarkable properties. Beyond being a mere household ingredient, baking soda possesses mild abrasive qualities that make it an exceptional natural toothpaste. When applied gently, it aids in the removal of plaque and surface stains, unveiling a brighter, cleaner smile. Furthermore, its alkaline nature plays a pivotal role in maintaining a balanced oral environment. Harmful acids that accumulate in the mouth due to the consumption of acidic foods and beverages can erode tooth enamel, leading to cavities and gum diseases. Baking soda, with its alkaline pH, acts as a neutralizing agent, mitigating the acidity and thereby reducing the risk of dental woes. 3. Soothes insect bites. In the midst of an outdoor adventure or a peaceful evening on the porch, insect bites and stings can swiftly disrupt your comfort. Baking soda emerges as a soothing balm for these unwelcome interruptions, thanks to its inherent anti-inflammatory properties. When an insect injects its venom or saliva, it triggers a localized immune response, causing swelling, redness, itching, and discomfort. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory prowess comes into play by curbing this immune reaction, thereby alleviating these distressing symptoms. Creating a baking soda paste for insect bites is a straightforward and effective remedy. Start by mixing a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of water until it forms a thick, but spreadable paste. Gently apply this paste to the affected area, ensuring that it covers the entire bite or sting. Allow it to sit for about 10–15 minutes before rinsing it off. The paste not only helps to reduce inflammation and itching but can also draw out some of the toxins left behind by certain insects. While baking soda can offer immediate relief, it is essential to remember that this remedy is best suited for mild to moderate reactions. In the case of severe allergic reactions or multiple stings, seeking medical attention is critical. 4. Urinary tract health. Urinary tract infections can be incredibly discomforting, causing pain, urgency, and discomfort during urination. Baking soda, with its alkalizing properties, offers a potential natural remedy. Urinary tract infections often thrive in acidic environments, making the urinary tract an ideal breeding ground for the infection. Baking soda, when ingested in moderate amounts under proper medical supervision, can help neutralize the acidic pH of the urine, creating an environment less favorable for the bacteria causing the infection. However, the key to using baking soda for urinary tract infections lies in the precision of its application. Too much baking soda can disrupt the body's natural pH balance, leading to complications. Hence, it is imperative to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice on the proper dosage and usage. They can assess the severity of the urinary tract infections, your overall health, and any underlying medical conditions to determine the appropriate amount of baking soda to be used. The process typically involves mixing a small amount of baking soda in water and drinking it at specific intervals. This mixture, when metabolized, can help raise the pH level of the urine, making it less conducive for the bacteria to thrive. While some individuals might find relief through this method, it should always be seen as a supplementary approach to prescribed medical treatments. Medical professionals can monitor your progress, ensuring that the baking soda remedy is providing relief without causing any adverse effects. If you find this information helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative video. 5. Sunburn relief. Baking soda, the unassuming kitchen staple, comes to the rescue when the sun's powerful rays leave your skin red, irritated, and throbbing. Sunburn is not only painful but can lead to skin damage and premature aging. Baking soda, with its multifaceted properties, offers a natural and cost-effective remedy for this common discomfort. To use baking soda for sunburn relief, start with a cool bath. Add about a half cup of baking soda to your bathwater and stir to ensure it dissolves. Soak in this soothing bath for 15–20 minutes. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps to balance the pH of your skin, providing immediate relief from the burning sensation and reducing redness. For targeted relief, consider creating a baking soda compress. Mix a couple of tablespoons of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Gently apply this paste to the affected areas and let it dry. Once dry, rinse it off with cool water. This method can alleviate pain and itching associated with sunburn while promoting the healing process. 6. Foot care. Your feet carry you through life's journey, but they are often the unsung heroes of your body, tucked away in shoes and socks. Over time, they can develop issues like foot odor and fungal infections, making foot care an essential part of your overall well-being. Baking soda, with its versatile properties, comes to the rescue, providing a refreshing retreat for your hard-working feet. To alleviate foot odor and combat fungal infections like athlete's foot, consider a baking soda foot soak. Fill a basin or tub with warm water and add a few tablespoons of baking soda. Soak your feet for about 15–20 minutes. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize the acids produced by sweat and bacteria, which are the primary culprits behind foot odor. Additionally, its natural antifungal properties can assist in combating fungal infections that may cause itching, redness, and discomfort. 7. Exfoliating agent. Baking soda's magic extends beyond the kitchen and bathroom. It's also a remarkable exfoliating agent that can unveil the true potential of your skin. Exfoliation is an essential step in any skincare regimen, as it helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote a smoother and more radiant complexion. Baking soda, with its gentle abrasive properties, is a natural and cost-effective solution to achieve these coveted results. To use baking soda as an exfoliating scrub, you have multiple options. The simplest approach is to mix baking soda with a few drops of water to create a thick, spreadable paste. The texture should be gritty but not overly abrasive. Gently massage this paste onto your damp skin using circular motions, paying extra attention to areas where dead skin tends to accumulate, like the forehead, nose, and chin, the T-zone. Avoid excessive pressure and scrubbing, as it can cause skin irritation. After a minute or so, rinse the scrub off with warm water, and you'll immediately notice the refreshed and smoother texture of your skin. Remember, baking soda is a natural, cost-effective, and versatile remedy with numerous health benefits. From aiding digestion to promoting oral health and soothing skin irritations, it's a must-have item in every household. Embrace the power of baking soda and explore its various uses to enhance your overall well-being naturally. Enjoy the video, please hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative video.